came with Mike Harrell.
She did. Let's see it.
With Harrell Automotive for our weekly segment we like to call You Auto Know, answering your burning car questions. And you've brought the mascot, right? Is she the mascot?
She is the mascot.
Yeah,
she is on the logo.
I don't think we said hello to you, Mike. Hi. Hi.
Hi,
We're
Mike.
so excited when we saw him. Look at how wonderful she's sitting there.
So sweet.
She's been our best well-behaved guest today.
Yeah, pretty much.
Good
we
job.
love when you bring her, and she's always at your shop hanging out, right?
Yep. She spends all day with me.
Oh.
Yep. And her sister and her dad as well at the same time. Yep.
Yeah.
All three of
She
them.
sees herself on
Good
TV.
girl.
She's
Yes,
like,
she
I am
does.
a good
I am
looking
a pretty girl.
dog."
I'm a pretty girl. All right, we got some great questions today. Let's get right to them. Norm writes, I had my oil changed the last time at Walmart. The person installed synthetic oil. I've always used regular oil, but do I need to keep using the synthetic? Should I keep using it? And what are the benefits to justify the added cost?
That is a great question. There's a lot of myths surrounding the transfer between synthetic oil and conventional oil, but they're just that, they're myths. Once you go to a synthetic oil, you could go back to either a synthetic blend or conventional oil. It really won't harm anything. The benefits are the better additive packages that come in the synthetic oils. It will help with keeping your motor longer and with less wear and tear. It is a much better product. It is well worth the money to go to a synthetic oil over a conventional oil, and it will not harm anything.
So worth the added costs.
I would say. If you plan on keeping the vehicle, absolutely.
Well,
Yeah.
okay. She's free to roam around.
She can
That's
roam,
all
yeah.
right.
You don't have
Okay.
to leave
There's
her.
too much to sniff and smell
Well,
in
here we
here.
go.
So well behaved.
Go ahead,
She'll be
Paisley.
around.
All right, this next one is from Sarah. My 2017 Audi Q5 has been great. Very few issues since I picked it up brand new. My issue is when I drive over 45, it starts to make a humming noise. It's non-existent below that, but as I accelerate, yeah, the volume goes up. What should my next step be, Mike?
I love all of the information she gives.
I
in
know.
her
There's a
lot
question.
there,
It's so important that we have all that extra information. What it does sound like, it sounds... Paisley found John. Yep. What it does sound like, it sounds like perhaps if she had new tires installed, the noise didn't change. It's perhaps a wheel bearing or a universal joint, or one of the axles itself could be making the noise. But the most likely culprit, a wheel bearing.
Quick fix?
Not a terribly hard fix, about a half a day, and
Yeah.
certainly something that we could get you in right away and take care of it for you.
Yeah.
And I love the specific speed threshold there to which it's. But we're hearing this a lot.
It helps quite a bit when we can extrapolate all of the information surrounding the problem, whether it's hot or cold, whether it's cold outside, just the vehicle being cold, whether it's at speed or right when you first started up. And
Well, and the strange noises too. I mean, vehicles are expensive, and when you're driving it every day and you're getting this weird noise, it drives you crazy. It's like you need to know what is this something that I need to pay attention to, or is this just an annoyance?
And Mike, it's been such an odd winter. So what are you seeing mostly in the shop? I mean, we're not seeing the snow and ice problems like we have.
we're not seeing a whole lot of the normal issues that we see with things breaking or batteries wearing out, but we're certainly seeing a lot more fluid leaks, a lot more coolant loss, things like that. I think just people are driving more than we have been through the pandemic. So
Right.
we're seeing back to a normalcy in our industry, which is nice for
And I don't
everybody
feel
involved.
that the pothole season is as bad as it's been with all the heavy snow that we've had. So you're probably not seeing a lot of that where the car is damaged due to all the potholes
Right.
either.
Exactly. Yep. We're not seeing a whole lot of suspension concerns, but we do see them here and there because it's still Erie.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, what did Mr. John do to you over there?
Yeah, what happened?
Huh?
What
Tell
did you
us.
say to him?
Tell us in the break.
What did you tell him?
Submit your question, ask at yououghtaknow.org. Mike, we love having you. We love having Miss Paisley here as well. Good girl.
Thanks for
Good
having
girl.
us.
Can you
Good
shake?
girl. Yeah.
You shake? Yes,
Well,
you
she
can.
sure does.
She's so good.